Hello there, my name is Joey. I have roughly 25 years experience as a machinist, mostly in a job shop environment. I'd like to pass on some of the knowledge I have learned in those years and have debated back and forth on doing a channel like this for a couple years now. The plan is to create content that I can use to help current employees at the company I work for or anyone who is interested develop some skills in either CNC programming using Mastercam or just basic knowledge when it comes to machining. I do not claim to have all the answers, nor do I think my way is the only way to do things. Machining is an art, and all artists have very different styles. As a machinist, our art is constrained by dimensions and tolerances and how quickly we can finish our work. In the end, time is our ultimate judge because the quicker we are at making good parts, and I stress good, the more money our employers, or if you are the business owner, you'll make. So I look forward to feedback from those interested, and I plan soon to have some videos up with some basics of Mastercam. So thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe so you'll see my latest content when it comes out.